In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to open a PowerPoint presentation step by step. Whether you're a student, teacher, business professional, or just getting started with Microsoft Office, knowing how to properly open a PowerPoint file is one of the most basic but essential skills. I'll walk you through the entire process slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own computer. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy-to-follow software tutorials. All right, let's get started. The first step is to open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. If you're using Windows, click on the Start menu and type PowerPoint into the search bar. Then click on the PowerPoint app when it appears in the results. If you're on a Mac, open Spotlight Search or go to your Applications folder and click on Microsoft PowerPoint from the list of apps. Once you click it, PowerPoint will launch and you'll see the Start screen. When PowerPoint opens, you'll usually see a welcome screen that shows templates and recent presentations. From here, we need to access the area where we can open an existing file. To do that, look at the top left corner of the screen and click on the File tab. This will take you to what's called Backstage View. Backstage View is where you manage files, opening, saving, printing, and sharing presentations. After clicking on the File tab, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side of the screen. In that left side menu, click on Open. This section shows you different locations where your PowerPoint files might be stored, such as your recent files, OneDrive, or your computer. Next, click on Browse. When you click Browse, a File Explorer window will open. This window allows you to navigate through the folders on your computer to find the presentation you want to open. Take your time here and go to the correct folder where your PowerPoint file is saved. For example, it might be in your Documents folder, Desktop, Downloads folder, or on an external drive. Once you've located the correct folder, look through the list of files and select the PowerPoint presentation you want to open. PowerPoint files usually have the extension .ppt or .pptx at the end of the file name. Click once on the file to highlight it and make sure it's the correct presentation. After selecting the file, go down to the bottom right corner of the File Explorer window and click on the Open button. As soon as you click Open, PowerPoint will load the selected presentation onto your screen. You'll now be able to view and edit your slides. And that's it. That's how you open a PowerPoint presentation step by step. Just to quickly recap, open PowerPoint, click on the File tab to enter Backstage View, click Open from the left side menu, select Browse, choose your PPT file from the list, and then click the Open button. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any upcoming Microsoft Office and PowerPoint tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.